Morning, Flo. Oh, come on.
Anybody know the cure for hiccups?
Pronto? Trattieni il respiro.
Try my homeopathic cure, man.
What's in it?
You don't want to know. Cool.
Stop hiccuping, soldier! That's an order! Try a drink of water.
You gotta hang upside down, spin around while you touch your tongue to the hood.
Hey, eat a drink of water! The hiccup, soldier!
Mater, let him down! I've got this.
My hiccups are gone. Thanks, Sally.
Don't worry, Sheriff, I'll carry you.
Mater, stay away!
Get it in.